In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save X Twitter videos. We'll walk through a simple way to quickly mark videos you like so you can easily find and watch them again later. You don't need any extra apps or downloads for this method. Everything happens right inside X using the built-in bookmarking feature. First, open your browser or the X app and go to your X Home dashboard. This is the main screen you see when you log in, where your home feed appears. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. The home dashboard is where X shows you tweets, reposts, and videos from people you follow, as well as recommended content. Next, start scrolling through your feed until you find a video you want to save. This could be anything: a funny clip, an important announcement, a tutorial, or a highlight from a live event. Let the video load for a moment so you're sure it's the right one. Take your time here. You can scroll as much as you like until you spot a video you know you'll want to come back to later. Once you've found a video you want to keep, look just below the post. You'll see several icons under the tweet, such as reply, repost, like, and share. Among these, there is a bookmark icon. On most devices, it looks like a little ribbon or flag. Click on this bookmark icon. When you do, X quietly adds that post along with its video to your personal list of bookmarks. This doesn't notify the creator, and it's completely private to your account. It's a quick, clutter-free way to collect videos without having to copy links or send them to yourself. Now, when you're ready to watch your saved videos, go back to the main menu on X. On desktop, look at the left-hand column. On mobile, you may need to open the side menu first. In that menu, find the option labeled Bookmarks and click on it. This opens a dedicated page that shows all the posts you've bookmarked, including the videos you saved using the bookmark icon. From here, you can scroll through your saved content, replay any video, and even remove bookmarks if you no longer need them. And that's all you need to do to save X Twitter videos using bookmarks.